Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So as you guys see by the title, we have another wig review, and this one is from Studio Cut. This is a natural deep part lace wig. So this is it here. Okay, this is the style DPL-001 color 2. So I tried out the 002 before. If you guys missed that video, I will have it up here so you guys could take a look. That here was also provided from Samsbeauty, and it's the same company. This one is the color 2. So we're gonna see if this one is the same as the other one. I'm not sure if this is the same length, but the other one was very long, so I'm thinking this one is a little bit more shorter. So this is an ear-to-ear Swiss lace. Okay, yeah, so this is a shorter one. So if you guys like shorter hair, this one's gonna work for you. The other one, I like it, but it's way too long for me. But this is it here, girl. So hopefully this one I don't experience any shedding or tangling. This is the inside, okay, and you get 3 combs, 1 on each side and 1 in the back. And this is a cue card here, same thing. So this is how the wig looks, guys. I really like it. The one that I tried out before is 002, which is a little bit more longer than this. I actually like this one better because it's less tangle and less shedding, okay? So what I did in the front here, didn't cut off the baby hair, and thank God I didn't do that. It kind of covered the lace a little bit. It's really bone straight. You really don't need to put heat on it if you don't want to, but I just put a little heat because I want it to be a little bit bone straight. And the baby hair is very hard to like mix with the other hair, so you got to keep on going back and forth with the hot comb to smooth it out. This is actually my hair color, my natural hair color, which is a 2, and it actually don't even look like that. It looked like a 1B to me. And as you guys see, this is a mixed blend and it's not even shiny or anything, so it could pass for human hair. You still will experience shedding and stuff like that because it's not 100% human hair. I'm just saying because of the length, you will experience more shedding and tangling with the longer hair. And I like it, guys. This is really, really pretty. It's not even that long. So it is tangling a little bit in the back as well, but not too much as the other one. Oh my god, the other one was tangling a lot. So if you guys want to pick up anyone, I recommend this one. if you don't want to deal with too much tangling. But if you guys want to play with the baby hair, you guys see is right there. I really didn't do anything to it. It's a little bit wild, but you know, that's okay. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this wig. I would like to hear what you guys have to say. So if this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on the video. But before you leave, girl, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so when I upload videos, girl, you will be notified. And to my OGs, thank you guys so much for returning. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. And don't forget to share the video, girl. Sharing is caring. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video.